Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Isa ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bebe and Les, our innocent and fragile Bebe. I hope that you feel your heart's desire. Ingat po lagi sa work and just know that we are here always if you need someone to talk to. If di pa bar sa'yo ang mundo, hayaan mo, di natin sila bate. Amen, and thank you also for listening to our non-stop chicas in life. Happy birthday again, baby.
Hi, Baby Endless. Happy birthday. Take care always and stay pretty. I love you, baby. Dito na kami lagi na standby sa looban. Ayun lang. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Endless. Happy birthday. I want to say thank you for being such an amazing friend to me, and thank you for the laughter, the support, the care, for the love. Thank you for everything. And I just really want to say thank you, because that's all I want to say, because I am really grateful for having you, and I wish you genuine happiness, and I pray that you'll get the very best things that life has to offer. And yeah, thank you for being our endless happiness, our endless love, and I hope that you'll have a blast on your special day. I love you so much, Endless, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, buddy! Happy birthday! Siyempre, una sa lahat, thank you kay God. Binigyan ka niya ng another year sa buhay mo. Then, thank you, buddy, kasi nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan na kagaya mo. Laking pasasalamat ko yun kay God. Thank you sa mga panahong down ako, nandiyan ka. Isa ka sa nagpapalakas ng loob ko, nagpapayo. Ngayong kaarawan mo, ang gusto ko lang is mag-enjoy ka. Then lahat ng mga pangarap o hilin mo matupad. At alam kong tutuparin ni Lord yon. Basta buddy, be happy lang din. Always mag-iingat. Then, happy birthday. I love you, buddy. Enjoy your...
Ako nakababati kay Nakring.
Ay, kay Mami 3K Shawi sa'yo, may binabati kita ng happy birthday, Mami 3K ko. Maraming salamat dahil di ka nagsasawa sa makaramdam, Jacob, magkwento ko sa'yo. And thank you rin sa pagtanggap sa akin bilang anak mo dito sa Saki. Hindi ko na ito hahabaan. Basta grateful ako na nakilala ko kayo, lalo na ikaw. Naway pagpalain ka ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan at ilayo ka sa anumang sakit at kapamakan. Yun lang, Mami 3K. Again, happy birthday to you. May God bless you with abundance of blessings. I love you.
Yo, what's up, ate nandun? Sasabihin po ako. Hindi ko alam kasi ng birthday mo. Buti na lang, nag-chat sa akin sila ate nag-chat sa akin si ate Nessa, tsaka si anak Rain. Sabi nila magbigay daw ako ng video greeting. Pero sabi ko, di ako nagawa ng video greeting. Kaya sabi ko, mag-voice na lang. Voice na lang ba? Ayan. What's up, ate? I just want to say na happy birthday. And more blessing to come. And also more birthday to come. Thank you. Kasi kahit gano minsan kakulit ako, ay tinanggap niyo pa din kung sino ko. Thank you kasi you're always there for me, lalo na noong mga oras na down ako or something na broken ako, ganun. Di nyo ko iniwan, di nyo ko tinalikuran. Thank you for being there as my ate, kahit hindi sa totoong buhay, but I felt kung paano kayo naging ate sa akin. Thank you kasi nakilala ko kayo, tapos naging bunso nyo pa ako. I'm so happy and grateful na nakilala kita, ate nandun. My wish ko good health. Stay what you are. Lagi mong tatandaan na andito lang din ako para sa inyo. Andito lang din kami nila ate Nessa, nila na Crane. Pag kailangan mo na makakausap, andito lang kami, ate nandun. And yun na yun. Wala ko alam masabi ba. Yun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happiest birthday, ate nandun 3K. Happy birthday po ulit, ate 3K ko. Nagmamahal, bunso.
Okay, ako naman ha. Charis. Ayan, blessed birthday, Chaber. Oh, birthday yun oh. Ano handa natin, oy? Spaghetti lang akin, ha? Charis lang. Ayan, blessed birthday, Chaber. Lubos kami nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon kasi isa ka sa mga naging kaibigan nila at naging kaibigan ko. Alam mo na yon, ha? At alam mo naman na grabe yung blessings ng Lord. Kaya isipin mo lagi yung blessings ng Lord, hindi yung age. Kasi yung age is talaga naman tatanda at tatanda tayo. Ako, patanda na din ako. Matanda din sila ni manager, ni bunso, diba? Lahat tayo itong matanda. Ang importante is iniisip natin na inaalala natin yung kabutihan ng Lord. Kaya lagi mong tatandaan na lagi kami nandito, lalo na ako. At isipin mo, yung Lord lagi din nandyan. At lagi kang magpasalamat, mag-pray, and also, ibigay mo yung love sa mga taong importante sa buhay mo. Alam mo na yun. At manatili ka na maging humble and also friendly kahit alam natin na nonchalant ka, ganun. Pero alam ko na marami ka ng friends. Ayan, at naway ay maging maganda at maging mas maayos at syempre maging masaya ka lagi kahit na meron tayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Lagi mo tatandaan yung life verse ko. Matatagpuan yan sa Joshua 1:9. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. O, diba? May dumaan pang motor. Ganun talaga yung background. Charis lang. Happy and blessed birthday to you, Chaber ko. Love ka namin. I love you po.